Hi, welcome to a new tutorial video from Doc365. I'm Alex. In today's tutorial video, we are going to talk about SharePoint App Bar. The SharePoint App Bar makes it easier to discover content and resources in your SharePoint environment. It enhances the overall SharePoint experience in multiple ways. We'll discuss how to maximize your use of the SharePoint App Bar in this video. So let me take you to my SharePoint atmosphere right away. So this is a SharePoint start page or the home page of our SharePoint environment. This is a demo setup. This menu bar or app bar you are seeing in the left side of the page is the SharePoint app bar. So you can access this app bar from anywhere in your SharePoint environment. Doesn't matter which site you are in. So these are the common icons you will see in this app bar. The first one is a SharePoint start page icon. So when you click this icon, you will be taken to your SharePoint start page or the home page where you start to explore all pages and content and resources in your SharePoint environment. And the second one is the My Sites. When you click on My Sites, you will see all sites that when you click on the My Sites icon, you will be shown with all the sites in your SharePoint environment, which one you frequently visit, the sites you are following. If you click on See More, you will be taken to a extended view. So these are all the sites in your organization. So you can also click on My News. So it will show you all the news published in your organization or in sites that are relevant to you. Next icon is the My File section. When you click on it, you will see all the documents you recently visited. So there's only one document right here. And next is the My Lists option. So here you will see all the recently visited lists and also your favorite list. There's none in this list right now. So this is how the SharePoint app bar works. And there is also one more option that you can configure here. That is the global navigation. So to configure that, you need to go to the SharePoint's home page here. Which one is your home page? If this is your main SharePoint home site, you need to go here and click on the settings icon from the top and click on global navigation. Right now this is turned off. That's why you are seeing a SharePoint start page icon here. Once this is turned on, you can actually edit or make changes to a lot of things here and click on save. So from now, you will see the global navigation icon here. We'll just refresh once so that the changes get saved properly. So when you hover your mouse over the home icon next time, you will see that this is a global navigation. So click on the global navigation and you will see all resources in your organization here. So you can actually edit all these resources listed in the home navigation according to your will. So this is another fantastic feature of the SharePoint app bar. So hope you got a clear picture about how the SharePoint app bar works and how you can make the most of it. So try configuring this app bar more efficiently for your organization and make it really easy for your team or your employees to find or discover resources, document all content in your SharePoint environment. Please let us know about your experience. We'll surely come up with more interesting videos soon. We'll see you later. Have a good day.